Hello and good evening. In this tutorial you will learn how you can add a typewriter effect to any text on your website. Using this method you can assign this typewriting effect to any sentence, word or any text on your website. So at the end result would look something similar to this. So to initiate, what we will do, we will assign a typewriting effect to this text here, and then we will assign this text here. So like this text will rotate with different variations. So to initiate, what we will do, we will use this JavaScript library called typeit.js.com. We use this JavaScript and we will integrate it with our current website. So to do this, what we'll do, we will include this script. You can simply click the exclamation button and it will navigate you here. So we need to load the script using this line of code. Simply copy it, and now we need to add it to our website. So this is our main index.html file. So make sure to navigate down to the end body section of the website. Here we will load the script. Make sure to change this version. So currently we will be using version 6. Simply replace this with 6. Save it. Next, we need to load this script. Right below this script, we will create another script. Instead of string, initially we will disable this one. So currently it targets this specific ID. So what we'll do, we can rename it to any ID. Let's say typo, and save this. So now we need to add this effect to this text. So we'll search for this text. Yeah, here. What we'll do, we will simply assign the ID of this heading to typo. Simply save and reload. Yeah, so you can see this text is getting typed with our desired typewriting effect. So you can assign this ID to any text and it will animate like this. So let's say if we want to assign a typewriting effect to this sentence here, so what we'll do, we will simply just add an ID to that specific sentence. Yeah, perfect. So next, what we want to do, we want to switch this text. So whenever one sentence is getting typed, after that it should type another sentence, and so on. So what we'll do for this, we will head out to the examples section of typeit.js.com. Here you can see we can call multiple strings. So what we'll do, we will assign this ID specific strings for this. So to do this, we will simply copy this text and we will assign it here. So we can replace this text with any other desired text. So we will do it web design and development. We can create another sentence of digital marketing. That's it. Here you can define certain parameters, like you can change the type speed by changing this specific variation. Next we need to modify this ID. So what will we do? Like instead of adding any text here, we can just keep it empty, as this ID, this specific ID will be targeted automatically by our script. So you can save and reload this again. You can see like it's now showing different variations of type effect. So that's it. In case if you have any comments or suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. Make sure you do not forget to subscribe to my channel for further CSS or JavaScript hacks. Thank you.